How to choose the right vending machine slots? There are 7 common types in vending machines. First, spiral slots. Simple and cost-effective. They can handle snacks, canned drinks, trading cards, cosmetics, and other small packaged items. Second, pusher slots. Smooth and steady, perfect for bottles, lucky boxes, glass bottles, or fragile items. Third, direct push slots. Fast and versatile, ideal for beverages, snacks, sparkling water, even wine bottles. Fourth, conveyor belt slots. Strong and stable, designed for lunch boxes, fresh food, or any heavy or irregularly shaped products. Fifth, hook slots. Space efficient with excellent display. Great for hanging snacks, toys, and packaged items. 6. Inclined slots. Items slide down a gentle slope, maximizing space and providing a clear, organized display. Ideal for medicines, supplements, and other products that need neat arrangement. Finally, locker cabinet. Independent lock compartment, providing safety and privacy. Perfect for flowers, frozen food, medicine, high-value items, or collectible products. Choosing the right slots ensures smooth delivery, better product display, and a perfect match for your merchandise.